Hi, I'm Dr. Macedo, a prosthodontist here from St. Petersburg, Florida, and I'm gonna talk to you about this amazing case we're doing today. Patient, the sweetest patient you can imagine, but her bite was very compromised. Her teeth was extremely flared out, and with implants, designing, and occlusal adjustments, we were able to completely change her function and improve significantly her cosmetics. And in order to get all this done, we worked with dental implants. We did everything digital, from the treatment planning to the implant position, to the design of the teeth, to the capture of the implant, and we three-dimensionally print her new teeth, and soon you'll see the result.